Welcome! Today we are going to make some scrambled eggs because I'm low on content and I'm hungry. I have not eaten anything today. So we're just gonna start by taking a pot, putting some oil in that bitch. We're gonna take this spatula and whatever this thing is called in English, and we're gonna spread the oil a little so the egg don't get stuck, boys. So now we're gonna put some eggs. We're gonna put 3 eggs. That's 1. Oh, we're gonna take that off the heat for a bit. 2. That was horrendous. 3. Now we're gonna mix it using this thing. We're gonna put a little bit of milk in that bitch. Okay, that should do it. And we're just gonna keep mixing it. Alright, now we're just gonna take the spatula instead, because that mixy thingy is no longer good enough. And we're gonna try to avoid spilling any more. We're not doing too good, are we, today? While we're at it, we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Oopsies. I just made a big oopsie. And a little bit of pepper. And you know, we're just gonna add a little bit of this too for shits and giggles. Alright, and now we just furiously mix before it burns, which it almost did. And while we're at it, we're gonna get a plate that we're gonna put right here. Yeah, we just keep stirring that little shit up. And right about now I think it's ready. We're just gonna mist the plate. Just like that. Oh, yummy. And there we have it. Some shitey scrambled eggs. And now we're ready to eat them. So thank you for watching this very quick video that was pretty much uncut. I hope you can make scrambled eggs now. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Subscribe and watch the videos in the link in the description. Hit the thumbs up and also click some of the videos in the end screen. Peace.